Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how to customizing navigation bar. We can add pictures, change the background color, and other features that we can do. So yeah, let's start our project. But before that, as usual, I show you what will be our output, and yeah, then we will jump to our project. So as you see here, we have a button, right on the left side also we have a picture instead of title. Okay, so let's stop and even close this one because I'm gonna overwrite it. So I close it, so I say File, New, Project. Okay, single view app, next, and here iOS, Swift, and customizing navigation bar. Okay, let's create it. Yes, replace it for me. Okay, so we will go to a storyboard. What we do, we will come here, select this screen, then we will select this yellow button, which is our view controller. Then we will go to editor, embed in, and navigation control. Okay, so now we have a controller for our navigation. So I would like to put it here. Okay, so then here inside this I can put for example, my items. I put one item here, I say back. I put another item here, I say this one I want to be search for me, so I select this one, style, and style custom. I say some of this has already exist, otherwise you need to yourself download and make it. Okay, so also I'll go to assets and I'll copy my Apple logo PNG file here. Okay, I'm gonna use this later. Okay, so I'll go to view controller now. I remove this one. Also remove this one, and I can start coding now. So yeah, in view did load, actually we don't do anything. We will add the function view did appear. Yes, we will override this function. First of all, we will say okay, let's nav equal self dot navigation control question mark dot navigation bar. Okay, inside this we say okay, this nav dot barStyle should be UI barStyle. Here you have a lot of options. I choose black, and also you can try others as well. And okay, tint color, I say UI color dot yellow. My tint color would be yellow. Okay, also I say image. I want to add one image, so I say image view equal UIImage view, and inside this I'll get frame and my frame is CG rect, and this is X, Y, and Y, and so X is 0, Y 0, right 40 pixel, and height 40. And then I say okay, image view dot content mode equal dot scale aspect to fit. Okay, even it's good, here you get how you can change, property that you don't have to do everything with Xcode. With program you can do even much more things. Okay, image, say image equal UI image, not this time view, only one image, and I say named, and here my Apple logo. Okay, so let's see exactly how it's Command C, and I come here and I put it here. Then I say image view dot image equal image, and at the end I say navigation item, navigation item dot titleView equal image. So we made one image view and we set it over navigation item. Yes, so this is all we need to do, and when we run our program we will see that we have a screen that it's a navigation bar, left and right buttons, and even you can add more buttons. You don't have to do only 2 buttons. And also at the middle will be one Apple logo as a picture. Yes, here you go. You will see that, and here you go. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like it. So give it thumbs up and the video, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And also I wish the best for you. And if you have any comments, any question, leave it at comment. You can find source code in comment. And have a good one. Bye bye.